Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or modify your short hop release mode on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can start playing your game by clicking on the battle option at the bottom right corner or pressing the spacebar key. Now, before you start your match, if you wish to modify the settings of your short hop release mode, then to do this, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, click on Settings. And now you will see within the Controls menu, the Short Hop Release option. If you wish to understand what it is, you can click on the I button to get a small info. In order to change the mode, tap on the currently selected mode at the right side, and now you will see the various different options, which includes the 2-button release, the single button, or the mixed option, which means that either one of those will do the same trick. So just choose your desired option and then press the confirm button. You can now go back into your game and start playing with your chosen short hop release mode. In order to change this in the future, you can once again go back and follow the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to modify your short hop release mode settings on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.